walls are now confined two mighty monarchies, whose high, uprearing and abutting fronts parallel narrow open paths. Admit me, chorus to this history, will prologue like your humble patience pray, gently to hear, but kindly to judge our play. Thank you. Bit of applause. Prologue to Henry V.
that straight away.
Of course they did. I knew that.
Thank you.